Hello my dear students and parents. Welcome back to my channel, The Learning Hub Pompa Majumdar. I feel really very sorry for the delay in releasing this video. Actually, we Indians are bound very tightly by the value system, right? Our family matters or crisis is our first priority. My father is partially paralyzed due to stroke. So caring him was my priority. Now he is doing well, so I am back again with a piece of lesson for you only. So kids, you must take care of your parents, family members and friends as you grow. Now let's start the lesson. Use of was and were. So children, in this video we are going to learn about use of was and were, means how to use was and were in a sentence. But before that you should know use of am, is and are, which I have already taught you. If you didn't watch the video yet, I would say definitely watch the video. The link has been given in the description box. So use of was and were. As we know, am, is and are present form of the verb be. In the same way, was and were are the past form of the verb be. I repeat, was and were are the past form of the verb be. Means was and were both show past time or past tense. Means something which has already happened. I repeat, was and were both show past time or past tense, means something which has already happened. Now we will learn the use of was and were using examples. So let's see. Use of was. Was is used with a singular noun and pronoun. Singular noun means any one person, place, thing or animal, and pronoun like I, he, she and it. So the important point is was is used with first and third person singular number. Here I is the first person singular number and he, she and it are third person singular number. Now let's see the examples. I was very busy yesterday. I is the first person singular number. That's why here was is used. And this sentence shows past times which has already happened. He was very ill last month. He was. He is the third person singular number. That's why here was is used, and this sentence shows past time, means which has already happened. She was 7 years old last year. She was. She is a third person singular number, and this sentence shows past tense which has already happened. It was a rainy day. It was. So children, we used was with I, he, she and it. Now we are going to use was with names, means noun. John was going to the market. Here we are talking about only one person, means singular noun, that is John. John is a name. The cow was eating grass. Here we are talking about one cow, that is a singular noun. Next, Nita was absent yesterday. Here we are talking about one person, that is Nita. And these sentences show past time or past tense. Now use of were. Were is used with you and plural noun or pronoun. Note, do not use was with the pronoun you, even though it is a singular number. So where is always used with you. I repeat, where is always used with you. You were. You were. So were is used with second person both, singular and plural. And were is also used with first and third person plural numbers or pronouns. Look here. You were. So were is used with you. Were is used with plural pronouns like your, yours, we and they. Were is used with plural nouns, means more than one person, place, thing or animal. Now let's see some examples. You were late for the party last night. We used were with you, even though it is a singular number or pronoun. So children, always make sure with you we should use were, not was. Now next example. We were happy to meet our grandparents after a long time. Here we are talking about more than one person, that is we. We means hum log, means plural number. Now next example. They were playing football in the field. They is a plural pronoun. So here we are talking about many people. Therefore, were is used over here. Were is also used with plural noun or names. Like the dogs were barking. Here we are talking about many dogs. And next, the children were making noise in the class. Children is a plural noun. Here we are talking about many people. And these sentences show past time, means past tense. Therefore, were is used over here. Children, look at this chart and observe very carefully. Singular, plural. I was. He, she, it was. Ravi was. The cat was. The boy was. Next, plural. We were. You were. They were. Ravi and Reem were. The dogs were. The boys were. So children, you have to understand and remember this chart. Now let's move on to the worksheet. Complete the given sentences using was and were. So let's start. The first sentence is I dash late for school yesterday. I was. So here we have to write was. Next, my parents. My parents. Here we are talking about more than one person. So my parents were going to the hospital. Were. Ricky and Reem dash very good friends. Ricky and Reem. Here we are talking about more than one person. So here we have to use were. Next, you dash not at home last evening. What should we use with you? You? Very good. Well done. Where? Where is always used with you. You were. Next, my grandfather dash an honest man. Here we are talking about grandfather. It's a singular number. So we have to write over here was. My grandfather was an honest man. Next, they dash not happy. They is a plural pronoun. So here we have to use were. They were. So let's write. They were not happy. Next, we dash eating our dinner. What should I write over here? We is a plural pronoun, right? So we were. Very good. We were. I was. My parents were. Ricky and Reem were. You were. My grandfather was. They were. We were. These sentences show past time or past tense. So children, when we use these words, we have to understand the tense and the kind of noun or pronoun. I repeat, when we use these words, we have to understand the tense and the kind of noun or pronoun, right? So I hope today's concept is clear to everyone. So keep learning and keep smiling. I'll be back very soon with an interesting lesson. Bye bye.